Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix why does my printer keep saying port in use. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Printer. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Printer Spooler Services, stop the service. Open File Explorer, this PC, C drive. Windows, System 32 folder. Open Spool, Printers folder. Delete all files and folders. Open Services, open Print Spooler service. Change Startup type to Automatic, start the service, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.